In this video, I'll show you how to set up a scoring quiz that displays different text and product recommendations based on the total score a user gets from their answers, using the RevenueHunt app. Step 1. Create new quiz. To make things faster, I'll start by creating a new quiz from a template. We already have a skin type scoring quiz that automatically recommends different products and text depending on the user's total score. So I'll select that template, choose a color scheme, and open it in the quiz builder. Step 2. Check the scoring setup. Inside the builder, you'll see 5 pre-made questions that help determine a user's skin type. Let's open one of the questions and click on a choice. Under Choice, Settings, Scores, and Calculations, you'll see that each choice already has a custom score assigned. Choice 1 has a score of 1, Choice 2 has a score of 2, Choice 3 has a score of 3, Choice 4 has a score of 4, Choice 5 has a score of 5. All of these scores are linked to a variable named score. If you wanted to use a different variable, you could type a new one here. But in this case, we'll keep the default score variable. Make sure every choice in your quiz has a score value assigned so the app can correctly calculate the total score later. Step 3. Set up the results page. Once you're happy with your question scores, head over to the results page section. This template already includes several pre-made sections, one for each skin type, such as dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, combination skin, or sensitive skin. Each section contains a heading and text block describing the result, and a product block where you can display recommended products. Step 4. Add fixed product recommendations. Open a section, for example, the normal skin section, and in the product block settings, set the recommendation system to fixed recommendations. Then click Add Product and select a few products from your catalog that should always appear when this result is shown. Repeat this for every section. Add the right products for oily, combination, sensitive, and dry skin results. When you're done, click Save Changes. Step 5. Configure display logic based on total score. Now, let's look at how the app decides which result section to show. Each section already has display logic applied that uses the score variable we defined earlier. For example, the dry skin section is visible when the score is greater or equal to 5 and less or equal to 7. This means the dry skin result appears only if the user's total score falls between 5 and 7. The normal skin section might have the score greater or equal to 8 and less or equal to 12. And similar logic applies for the other results, oily, combination, and sensitive, each tied to its own score range. If you want to add or modify these rules, open the section Settings, scroll to Display Logic, and add a new condition. You can choose whether a section should be shown or hidden based on any score range you define. Step 6. Save and test your quiz. When all your score rules and fixed product blocks are ready, click Save Changes, and then preview the quiz. Let's test it. If I mostly pick first choice answers, which each have a score of 1, my total score will be low, and I should see the dry skin results section. And that's exactly what happens. That's it. That's how you can build a scoring-based quiz in the RevenueHunt app. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.